guys, welcome to Steven's cooking show, or it's cooking with Steve. Today's recipe, Cheetos. Let's get started. You will need 1 bowl. Your ingredients you will need is some ground beef, mustard, Kool-Aid, Pepsi, a toaster, butter, ketchup, an unused chia pet, a box of Uno cards, and finally, a Samsung smartphone. Let's get started. Get your mixy thing and put your ketchup in, along with your Pepsi. And then your Uno cards. And mix that up. Okay, now get your mustard and put it in. And, of course, your ground beef. Let's get a bigger bowl. Perfect. Now, all you must do now is mix it up. Okay, now it's time to add your toaster. Looking delicious already. That's the finish. And your chia pet. Now, it goes in the oven for 20 years. I forgot the stuff on. Adds a little bit of spark to the cooking. All you must do now is put it. Okay, that one's not working. Now put it in your oven.
20 years later.
Don't mind this. Okay, and in the oven, after 20 years, the final product. Time for a taste test.